Okay. So now we will learn about some terminologies. Okay. What are the terminologies in concave and convex में देखेंगे. So keep reading terminologies. So terminologies में first one is pole. Pole. वो पोल नहीं है बाहर वाला जो स्ट्रीट लाइट्स में वो पोल नहीं है, ये डिफरेंट पोल है. पोल क्या है? The center of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is called pole. The center of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror. So this is a spherical mirror. Which type of mirror? याद है? I told which type of mirror it is.
Concave.
Which one?
Convex.
आता है ना? चलो. Now I am taking the concave mirror. Okay. Concave, this is the reflecting surface, right? Reflecting surface में central point of the reflecting surface को we call as pole. This is called pole. So terminologies आ गया तो then only we can able to talk कैसा है क्या है बोल के we can able to talk. Second terminology. Copy, write the notes neatly. Second one is center of curvature. Center of curvature we represent as C. This spherical mirror is part of the sphere, right? If I complete the sphere will look like this. This is a sphere. Definitely. Because the spherical concave or convex is a part of the sphere, right? Since the sphere is there, definitely there is a center. So this is the center of curvature. Okay. So how to define? Center of the sphere of which mirror is a part. It is a center of the sphere of which mirror is a part. That is called center of curvature. Now, since center is there will be a radius of curvature also, capital R. Radius from where to where? A sphere ka radius from where to where? From radius means from where to where? Center to the pole distance ko we call as radius. Okay. So radius of the sphere of which mirror is a part. Radius of the sphere of which mirror is a part. So from here to here, we call that as radius. Radius of the sphere of which mirror is a part.
So should we draw the diagram which you drew?
Diagram बाजू में रख लो so that you will know. Last में again I'll give the same diagram. हो गया कंप्लीट. अच्छे से पास में लिखो अच्छे से रहेगा. Radius of the sphere of which mirror is a part. So we learned three terminologies: pole, center of curvature, radius of curvature. Okay. Next terminology is principal axis. Principal axis. So principal axis क्या है? A straight line passing through the pole and the center of curvature of the mirror. Okay. Again I'm drawing. This is a concave mirror. And this point is called as pole. Okay. This point is nothing but center of curvature. And this one radius, Now what is principal axis means? Name itself indicating axis, right? Like x-axis, y-axis. A straight line passing through center and the pole is called as principal axis. This axis we call as principal axis. And this is the radius of curvature. Next one. Okay, copied.
So 1 second.
Yeah. Now you see, पूरा diagram को I am showing like this one. देखो, I told right. It's a part of the sphere. This is a concave mirror, center of curvature, pole, radius of curvature. This is a principal axis, which we do know. Okay, understood right? Okay. Major thing, principal focus. Very important. Principal focus. We represent as capital F. Now tell me, anybody, definition of principal focus. जो स्कूल में होने हो गया बोल रहे ना, बोलो. This question compulsory एग्जाम में आएगा डेफिनेशन. विदाउट दिस क्वेश्चन पेपर विल नॉट बी देयर. नहीं तो विल गिव वन चॉकलेट. सर आई डिड नॉट गॉट द एग्जाम बोल के पक्का आने वाला एग्जाम में. स्कूल में एग्जाम्स में दे लास्ट डिफाइन प्रिंसिपल फोकस इन फर्स्ट एग्जाम में. हाँ टेल मी, व्हाट इज प्रिंसिपल फोकस? एनीबॉडी? स्कूल में स्टार्ट हुआ ना, किसका किसका स्टार्ट हुआ, किसका किसका हुआ? तनिष्का आपका होगा स्कूल में? हाँ हो गया ना. ओ देन यू कैन टेल नाइसली. बोलो फोकस. मानिया भवानी. ओके, देखेंगे. ये थोड़ा अच्छा डेफिनेशन है, लर्न कर लो. पर कॉनकेव मिरर का सेपरेटली विल डिफाइन, पर कॉन्वेक्स आल्सो विल डिफाइन पर प्रिंसिपल फोकस का. ओके, लिखो. It is a point on principal axis at which rays traveling parallel to principal axis of a mirror after reflection converge at a point F. This point F is known as principal focus of a concave mirror. First Lico, I'll explain. First Lico, I'll explain. ओके, देखेंगे इसका मीनिंग क्या है, देखेंगे. सो दिस इज अ कॉनकेव मिरर. नाउ टेल मी विथ मी, टेल मी व्हाट इज दिस पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड एज? दिस पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड एज,
Focus.
जोर से बोलो, प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा. एंड दिस लाइन इज कॉल्ड एज?
Center of
Principal
curvature.
ac-
No,
Principal axis.
principal axis. And this point is called as?
Center of curvature.
Okay, and distance from center of curvature to pole is called as?
Radius of
Very good. Now इसका principal focus किधर होगा देखेंगे. So what is telling? It is a point on principal axis. Definitely the principal focus lies on this principal axis only. Point on principal axis. When the rays traveling parallel to the principal axis. So I am inserting rays parallel to the principal axis. देखो, this is a principal axis. उससे parallelly I am inserting a line. After reflection, देखो, after reflection, converge at a point F. It is meeting, passing through one point that is called F. converging at one point. This point is called principal focus. देखो, this point is lying on the principal axis only. So it is a point on principal axis. When the ray of light incident parallel to principal axis, after reflection passes through one point, converge at one point. That point is called principal focus. Okay. Similarly, here also, if I incident here, suppose, if I incident here, parallel to principal axis, what will happen? After reflection, passes through focus. ये वाला converge हो रहा है ना, always it is converging. Converging means meeting at one point, right? That's why concave mirror is also called as, we can call as converging mirror. Very important. Converging mirror. Exam में they sometimes questions में they will ask converging mirror. Exam में doubt आएगा concave convex का क्या है बोल के. Converging, it is meeting at one point. That's why it is called converging mirror. Okay, same way tell me. Now tell me all देखते हैं. So I am taking the convex mirror. Now tell me what is this point is called as?
Pole.
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 Now what is this point is called as?
Center of curvature.
Center of curvature? No. Wrong. See,
Sir, it's focus.
sphere is forming इस तरफ form हो रहे तो इधर center किधर से आएगा? Center will form center of the sphere. So center इधर रहेगा पर convex mirror के लिए. So the center इधर. Okay? So इधर नहीं रहेगा. Always याद रखो. Center means किसका center है? Sphere का center है. Sphere is forming this side. Okay. Now this line is called as principal axis. Okay. So उसका याद रखो. This concave mirror convex का. ठीक है. इसका convex एक copy right? Diagram भी copy right? Now we'll go for convex के लिए. Convex mirror same definition wise में but a diverging होगा. देखो it is a point on principal axis at which rays traveling parallel to principal axis, parallelly I'm inserting, after reflection it diverges from a point F and that point is called as principal focus and is a virtual point. That one is a real point, this is a virtual point. Okay, so इसका diagram draw करेंगे. So convex mirror, principal axis, pole, center of curvature. Okay, copy down, I'll draw. First exam में maybe they will keep reflection complete part exam के लिए they will put maybe. Finished. So इधर भी same है. It is a point on principal axis. Principal axis के ऊपर point only, in which rays traveling parallel to principal axis. So I am inserting a parallel ray, which is parallel to principal axis. Okay. After reflection, क्या होगा, ये डाइवर्ज होगा, ये डाइवर्ज हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड इफ आई एक्सटेंड बैकवर्ड्स इट इज मीटिंग एट वन पॉइंट दैट इज कॉल्ड फोकस. मतलब दूर से देखने से वी फील दैट द लाइट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द फोकस. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई देखो डाइवर्ज फ्रॉम ए पॉइंट एफ, इट इज कमिंग लाइक डाइवर्जिंग, जैसे पॉइंट एफ जैसे डाइवर्ज हो रहा है, अपियरिंग टू डाइवर्ज बोलते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज दैट्स व्हाई दिस कॉन्वेक्स मिरर इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज, और द नेम वी हैव टू गिव,
Diverging mirror.
लिखो, convex mirror is also called as diverging mirror. So this is appear to meet a actual meeting this point f, appear to meet. That's why ये देखो वर्चुअल बोलते हैं उसको, वर्चुअल पॉइंट बोलते हैं. एंड वो वाला बिफोर वाला इट इज अ रियल पॉइंट बोलते हैं. ओके, वो भी लिख लो, ऐड कर लो उधर. It is a real point in front of a mirror. It is a real point because it is actually meeting. Okay, concave में actually meeting है, that's why real point बोलते हैं. It is a real point in front of a mirror. Okay, done. All finished? Akash, starting. Yeah. Next. Next one is focal length. Focal length. These are terminologies. Compulsory we have to learn this terminologies. Focal length is the distance between the principal focus and the pole. Focus and pole के बीच में distance को we call as principal focus. देखो लेंथ है ना, इसमें लेंथ डिस्टेंस को लेंथ बोलते हैं. देखो पोल, फोकस एंड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. ओके, नाउ डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द फोकस एंड पोल को वी कॉल एज स्मॉल एफ, फोकल लेंथ बोलते हैं. एंड डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम सेंटर टू द पोल इज कॉल्ड एज रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज एपर्चर. एपर्चर. ओके, एपर्चर क्या है, द डायमीटर ऑफ द रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस ऑफ ए स्फेरिकल मिरर. देखो इस डायमीटर, दिस इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस राइट. ए पार्ट को इधर से इधर तक, ए पार्ट को, ए डायमीटर को वी कॉल्ड एज एपर्चर. इस पार्ट को वी कॉल्ड एज एपर्चर, इफेक्टिव डायमीटर. द डायमीटर ऑफ रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस ऑफ ए स्फेरिकल मिरर इज कॉल्ड एपर्चर. इस टोटल पार्ट को, इस टोटल लेंथ को इधर से इधर तक रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस का डायमीटर इज कॉल्ड एज एपर्चर.
So can you again tell what is focal length?
What is
Focal length?
the distance between the focus and a pole? If I take a scale, if I measure how many centimeters from focus to pole, that means centimeters is nothing but focal length. Understood? And notes clear? Yeah. Next.
Sir, 1 second, sir. On
Yeah.
slide. Yes, sir, done.
Yeah. Sure. We have a relation between radius of curvature and focal length. This is easy one. Can you tell me radius of curvature and focal length का relationship क्या है? देखो radius is from center to the pole and focal length is distance between focus and a pole, and this focus is acting like a midpoint. So now tell me, what is the relation between radius of focal length ka? R equal to?
2F.
Very good. R equal to 2F. So radius of curvature of a small aperture spherical mirrors is found to be equal to twice the focal length. So R equal to F is the formula. In small 1 mark bits, they'll give radius. If the radius of curvature is 10 centimeters, focal length is how much?
So
Bolo.
20,
Five.
Very good.
5.
Sure? Oh, 5. 5 is answer. Yes. So radius means radius by 2 is right. So वो confuse हो जाएगा people suddenly exam में. R equal to F. That means this indicates that principal focus of a spherical mirror lies midway between the pole and a center of curvature. So focus is exactly middle between the center of curvature and the pole. मैथ्स अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कर लो, डू आदि शर्मा, कोई एप्लीकेशन बेस करो, और वन मोर क्लास करके वी आई वांट टू टेक टेस्ट. थोड़ा खत्म हो जा रहा है. आई एम गिविंग मेनी क्वेश्चंस इन आदि शर्मा. सो इफ यू फिनिश वन 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 मोर क्लास में हो जाएगा. विल डन. किसी को भी डाउट्स है तो फोन करो. if you want really some concepts missing बोलता, I will take the class on Sundays में, नाइट में ऐसे कुछ लूंगा. ओके प्लान फर्स्ट. बट ऐसा नहीं कि ये आज बोर लग रहा है, सर को फोन करेंगे, सर सर टेक द क्लास, ऐसा नहीं है. थोड़ा साढ़े पहले बोल दिया तो आई विल टेक द क्लास. इफ यू आर रियली डाउट्स दिस आर द टॉपिक्स आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड, मींस आई विल टेक. ओके फिनिश्ड. कॉपीड. Tanishq on the video. Aviram, Adya. Adya, understanding or doubt?
Yes, understood.
But why off the video, always off seeing video on the video? Okay. Chalo, finish na? Yeah. Okay. So now tell me, can you tell me anybody? Chalo, I will ask principal focus का definition by head करो. I'll ask definition. For concave and convex. If they don't mention concave or convex, आपको क्या करने का? Converge or appear to diverge और diverge बोल के बोलने का. Because he did not ask concave or convex, right? The exam में simply different principal focus. आपको दोनों combine करना पड़ेगा. So उधर तक converge or diverge from a point F. That point is called focus बोल के बोलने का. Finished? I'll ask questions who is silent. That's why. सभी डिफिनेशंस आ गए तो बोलो, आई विल आस्क ऑल ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. एपर्चर ये वाला, फोकल लेंथ, फोन में को टेल नो प्रॉब्लम. They'll give summer vacations from May 1st, huh? May, huh? Or
Sir, for us, it's April 23rd.
oh, nice. 20 April से start हो रहा है, nice.
Sir,
No, half day.
Some government declares so even as April 23rd.
Nice. Half days है in April तक. Oh, नहीं है. ये hardless half days रहेगा. सबका स्कूल
Sir, no,
डिक्लेयरिंग.
sir. For us, it won't be there.
इतना satisfied यार. वो भी गवर्नमेंट बोलेगा 2-3 दिन में ऐसे बोलेगा.
Last 10 days they're giving us half days. 13th to 23rd is half days.
Generally इतना धूप में है ना, people started giving, the schools are giving half days. Yeah.
Sir, for us, it's not like that, but they might give. We'll see.
But they are starting 23rd on, right? So 23rd to ending
June
starting
12th, I think.
June.
June 12th will be like June 12th will be the first, like the working day when we all come back.
June 12th, right? Oh, so nice. ऐसा मिस हो जाएगा ना, 11th 12th में ऐसा नहीं रहेगा. ये स्टार्ट हो जाएगा विद इन 10th होने के बाद स्टार्ट हो जाएगा 1 वीक में एग्जाम. सो नाउ दैट इज द एंजॉयमेंट टाइम. अच्छे से. ओके, चलो फिनिश. ट्राई करो. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Stavia. Define principal focus of a concave mirror.
Point on principal axis at which the rays traveling parallel to principal axis at mirror after reflection converge at point F. This point F is called principal focus.
Very good. Adya, for convex ka?
It's a point on principal axis which is when the rays are parallel to principal axis at a point P after reflection.
नहीं, after reflection it will diverge and
It will
appear
diverge
to
at point P. Point
diverge and appear to pass through a point F. That point is called as principal focus. And is a virtual point or real point?
virtual point.
Virtual point. Okay. Manya, aperture definition. Aperture.
So the diameter of the reflecting surface of the spherical mirror.
Okay. Siddharth, I want definition for focal length.
Focal length.
Focal length.
The focal length. The distance between the diameter and the
Diameter कैसे है? Distance
No,
between the
diameter.
focus.
Between the principal focus and the pole, I guess.
Pole. Distance को. Okay, Natik, what is the relation between R and F?
The radius of curvature is equal to 2a.
Okay, good. आ गया ना? चलो. Now image के बारे में देखेंगे. Image, certain rules are there. Everything आपको ray diagrams are there. और सब कुछ होगा. Okay. Image. Can anybody define what is image? Image कब form होगा? Generally आपको image form होने के लिए minimum 2 rays are required. 2 rays are required. After reflection, if 2 rays are meeting, there only image is formed. Okay. So image का definition ले लो. It is a point where at least 2 light rays actually meet or appear to meet. Then only image is formed. Okay. So after reflection, it should meet. So how many types of images are there? We will see. So how many types of images are there?
2.
2 types. Adya, try karo. What are 2 different types of images?
So virtual and real.
Virtual and react. Differences bolo, anybody? Differences between virtual and real image. On the day we talked about, right?
So real image can be obtained on a screen and a virtual image can't.
Okay, one difference हो गया. Next, बोलो anybody?
The real images are formed in front of the mirror. And
What?
real images are formed in front of mirror, and virtual images are formed behind the mirror.
Okay, that is called as what? Oh, that only told it, not on the screen, not on the screen. Mirror में बोलते screen बोला. हाँ. Any other? Real is always, inverted, erect.
So erect.
No, virtual is erect. Plane mirror का image is virtual. Virtual is always erect. Real is always inverted image. Okay, so we'll write the differences between them. देखो, light rays actually meet to form a real image. I told, right? Real image में actually they are meeting light rays. In concave में we do, right? Focus time में they are actually meeting. Here appear to meet. मतलब that's why it is virtual image. They do not actually meet to form a virtual image. They are appear to meet actually in that. So real is always invert image, erect image. They can be obtained on screen. Image cannot be obtained on screen. Differences sometimes 1 mark question, 2 mark question they can ask.
Sir,
Like we studied this concave, right? 1 minute. So pole, focus, center curvature. Parallel after reflection passes through focus. And here again parallel after reflection passes through focus. देखो, they are actually meeting, appear to meet. They are actually meeting, right? That's why actually meeting में, that's why real image is formed. Okay. In convex में, we are extending backwards. It appear to meet. They do not actually meet. That's why it is a virtual point. Virtual image बोलते हैं उसको.
sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me.
Can this come as a difference question in exam?
Difference is 2 more questions they can ask. Define image and write the difference between virtual and direct image. मेन कॉन्सेप्ट इज दिस वन. उसको घुमा घुमा के इधर उधर उधर करके वही कॉन्सेप्ट को घुमाएगा. दैट क्वेश्चंस वी विल सी. थोड़ा टॉपिक्स होने के बाद आई विल स्टार्ट कीपिंग क्विज. देन देखने वाला है. केमिस्ट्री में आपको क्या करेगा बोले तो 9th क्लास टेक्स्ट बुक्स यू हैव विथ यू. 9th क्लास टेक्स्ट बुक एनसीईआरटी पिक दिया. 9th क्लास 9th क्लास इफ यू हैव वी हैव atoms and molecules में एक टेबल आई टोल्ड यू लास्ट ईयर आल्सो आई टोल्ड यू. एक टेबल है वेयर valencies are given. टेबल याद है? सोडियम, पोटेशियम, एल्यूमिनियम वैलेंसी 1 2 3, पॉलिएटॉमिक आयॉन्स SO4 SO3. वो टेबल को आप सीजर से कट करके फर्स्ट पेज ऑफ द केमिस्ट्री में पेस्ट कर लो. फर्स्ट पेज ऑफ द हमारा नोटबुक में पेस्ट करो उधर. सो दैट आपको हर बैलेंसिंग इक्वेशंस होने दो. दे विल गिव लाइक दिस बैलेंस. व्हाई दिस टेबल इज इंपॉर्टेंट? सपोज मान लो इट इज एल्यूमिनियम सल्फेट. ट्राई कर सकते हैं. फॉर्मूला क्या है? एल्यूमिनियम सल्फेट. Al2SO4. Okay. Anybody? Huh?
Al2SO4.
Okay. Anybody? Right or wrong?
Al2SO32.
Al2
SO32.
SO32. ऐसा टू हुआ? ऐसा टू हुआ?
SO32.
ओके. मतलब इधर क्या रखूं, 2 रखूं, 3 रखूं इधर?
See, not sure.
Okay, anybody?
Sir, Al2SO4 taken thrice.
हाँ, क्या बोला याद है? विडन याद है? ये वाला एल्यूमिनियम सल्फेट, एल्यूमिनियम का वैलेंस इज हाउ मच? 3, सल्फेट का वैलेंस इज 2। क्रिस क्रॉस मेथड किया याद है? क्रिस क्रॉस मेथड Al2SO4 सिंस इट्स पॉलीएटॉमिक वी हैव टू कीप इन ब्रैकेट एंड 3 आएगा। एग्जाम में बैलेंसिंग इक्वेशन में दे विल टेल सिंपली एल्यूमिनियम सल्फेट रिएक्ट्स विद बेरियम क्लोराइड। सो आपको फॉर्मूला लिखना आने का, देन ओनली बैलेंस यू कैन डू। वो फॉर्मूला लिखने के लिए वो टेबल चाहिए। दैट्स व्हाई फर्स्ट टेबल वो आ गया तो आपको पूरा ऑल केमिस्ट्री पूरा एनी इक्वेशन यू कैन एबल टू राइट द टेबल आ गया तो सो पेस्ट दैट वन। इफ नॉट एनीबॉडी यू कैन सेंड दैट in the group में, so that people can write or they can take a printout or something they can do. Okay, वो वाला पेस्ट कर लो। we are going to start next class में। okay, हो गया चलो। चलो, रूल्स फॉर कॉनकेव एंड कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, सम रूल्स देखेंगे क्या क्या रूल्स है। रूल्स आर इजी, वी हैव टोटली कॉनकेव एंड कॉन्वेक्स दोनों मिलके रूल्स हम लोग लिखने वाले हैं, मिक्स करके लिखने वाले हैं रूल्स का। ये रूल्स आ गया तो देन ओनली वी कैन एबल टू write the ray diagrams. Ray diagrams we can take the help by using these rules. Okay, we have only 4 rules, that's it. 4 rules are there, we will see. Rule 1 लिखो आराम से। A ray which we already know, अभी तक हम लोग प्रिंसिपल फोकस टाइम में पढ़ा ना, वही है। A ray parallel to principal axis after reflection will pass through the principal focus in case of concave mirror or appear to diverge from a principal focus in case of convex mirror. ओके लिखो। सो रे डायग्राम ड्रॉ करने का रूल का ड्रॉ करो। दिस इज द कॉनकेव मिरर, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, पोल, फोकस, सेंटर कर्वेचर। सो व्हाट इज द रूल सेज, whenever a incident parallel to the principal axis after reflection passes through focus, right? Can anybody tell why it is passing through focus? ऐसा कैसे? पैरेलल डाल दो तो फोकस पास हो जाएगा, उसको मालूम है क्या? क्यों? Tanishka on the video. Why it is passing through focus when an incident parallel to principal axis? Anybody? Tanishka बोलो। हाँ, okay. Manya, anything? Why it is passing through focus only? Why not some other things? उसको कैसे पता है? मिरर को कैसे मालूम?
Sir, isn't the focus formed because the parallel lines reflect at that point? Converge, sorry.
नहीं ऐसा क्यों उधर से आ रहा है? ओके, इट इज पासिंग थ्रू वन पॉइंट, उसको हम लोग फोकस बोला, बट व्हाई इट इज पासिंग थ्रू दैट पॉइंट? उसको स्पेशलिटी देखेगा, अरे फोकस उधर है, उधर से आ रहे हैं बोल के, ऐसा नहीं। क्यों? आद्या, हाँ श्राव्या नो आई थिंक, राइट? श्राव्या बोलो। नो प्रतीक, नो। सी, वी स्टडीड लॉस ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन। हर बार लॉस ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन विल बी सेटिस्फाइड, एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इक्वल टू एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन। देखो याद रखो, नॉर्मल वी हैव टू ड्रॉ व्हेनेवर यू इंसिडेंट ऑन द मिरर, नॉर्मल कंपल्सरी ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा। इन स्फेरिकल मिरर्स नॉर्मल ऑलवेज पासेस थ्रू center of curvature. Normal always passes through center of curvature. Perpendicular है ना, right? Normal is always perpendicular to surface, right? So now here angle कितना है? Angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. That's why it will pass through that focus. मतलब वो satisfy होने के लिए कितना भी रेस होने दो, उसके accordingly तो focus पर गिरेगा। Angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. ये वाला दैट्स वाई ये स्पेशलिटी क्या है मालूम है? वेयर वी यूज दिस कॉनकेव मिरर, यू नो, सोलर फर्नेस में दे विल यूज। सोलर फर्नेस को क्या है, विदाउट विद सोलर रेस से वी कैन कुक द फूड और समथिंग, राइट? सो कैसा, ऑल सन रेस आर कमिंग पैरेलली, दूर से आ रहे हैं ना, पैरेलल आएगा। आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन इट पासेस थ्रू वन पॉइंट, दैट फोकस पर पास हो रहा है। वो कितना गर्म हो जाएगा, कितना गर्म हो जाएगा, देयर वी कैन पुट एनी सब्जी और समथिंग आल्सो, इट विल कुक, वी कैन राइस आल्सो इट कैन कुक, दैट पॉइंट, फोकस पॉइंट बोलते हैं उसको। ओके, याद रखो, ऑलवेज दे विल सेटिस्फाई, आपको एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इक्वल टू एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन। बट व्हेन यू ड्राइंग द रूल्स, नो नीड ऑफ ड्राइंग अगेन नॉर्मल वगैरह, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड पर्पस के लिए वी आर डूइंग, दैट्स व्हाई इफ एनीबॉडी आस्क व्हाई इट इज पासिंग ओनली फोकस मींस टू सैटिस्फाई द लॉस ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन। ओके, कॉन्वेक्स का भी ड्रॉ कर लो, सेम थिंग, principal axis, pole, focus, center of curvature. So when the incident parallel to principal axis, after reflection, it will diverge and or appear to diverge, passing the, if I extend backwards, it is passing through focus. This is the first rule.
So should we draw them?
हाँ
Should we draw both
मैं
of
ड्रॉ करने का कंपल्सरी रूल्स। डन ना? यस, ओके, चाहिए। सेकंड रूल इसका कॉन्वर्स है, कॉन्वर्स बोल सकते हो, इसका कॉन्वर्स क्या है? ये वाला पैरेलल passes through focus, इसका कॉन्वर्स विल बी, हाँ बोलो इसका, पैरेलल फोकस
passes through focus, it will be parallel.
पैरेलल, यस, दैट इज वन। ओके, हो गया ना? सेकंड वन लिखो, a ray passing through the principal focus of a concave mirror or a ray which is directed towards the principal focus of a convex mirror after reflection will emerge parallel to principal axis. लिखो first. Okay, I will draw for concave. Pole, focus, center curvature. Now, when I pass through focus after reflection, moves parallel to principal axis. This is a rule, second rule. Focus, parallel, parallel, focus, focus, parallel. Now convex mirror. Pole, focus, center curvature. So when ray will not enter into the focus, right? Because mirror na, appear to pass through focus. Okay, laser light I put like this towards the focus. After reflection, it will move parallel to principal axis. This is for convex mirror. This is for concave mirror. Okay, finished. Two more rules are there. जल्दी हो गए तो खत्म करेंगे. Finished? Okay, चलो. Third rule. A ray passing through center of curvature of a concave mirror or directed in the direction of center of curvature of a convex mirror after reflection is reflected back along the same path. This is a concave mirror. Principal axis, pole, focus, center of curvature. Now मैं क्या करूंगा? I am passing through center of curvature. I am passing through center of curvature. After reflection, it again reflected back along the same path. That is the rule of center of curvature. Here, tell me, angle of incidence is how much? Anybody? Angle of incidence is how much?
0.
Very good. Because when you incident, the normal will be along the center of curvature. I told, right? Normal will always passes to center of curvature. So angle is how much? Angle between the incident ray and normal is 0. So angle of reflection also will be 0. So it will reflect it back in the same line. Okay. Now for convex, always normal always passes through center of curvature in a spherical mirror. Pole, focus, center of curvature. Now I am directed along the center of curvature. It retraces the path. It will go along the same path. लास्ट रूल इज देयर, हो जाएगा. वेबसाइट में जाके उसमें ले लो पाथ में. आई पुट मिनिमम अमाउंट एट एक्चुअली 300 रुपीज. दिस वेबसाइट चार्जेस का उसका. दिस फॉर 1 ईयर. 1 ईयर तक रहेगा पूरा. टिल अगेन मई तक रहेगा वो वेबसाइट में. सो उसमें वर्कशीट्स एंड एग्जाम्स विल बी कनेक्टेड इन दैट ओनली. व्हेन वी स्टार्ट विल पुट इन दैट ओनली, विल पोस्ट इन दैट. So you can open there and we can write and everything. Okay, worksheets are all placed in that only.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, you told us to buy that evergreen, that self-study science textbook, right? So for that, the version is 2023 to 2024. Should we wait or should we buy it?
24 to 25 is there.
Is it there?
24 Amazon Mate is there. 24 to
Acha.
25, that is enough. Same only will be
I'll
there.
check again. Okay.
Sir,
For RD Sharma, they gave 2 books, like which
one is MCQs and one is for normal book only. साथ साथ आएगा. सिंगल नहीं आएगा. This a blue color का book रहेगा आपका. Okay, so इसके साथ MCQs book also will be coming from साथ साथ. You can buy it. Okay. So that will be new one. मतलब it is actually 2024 to 25. 25 also available, I think so, right? In RD Sharma का.
Yes.
Sir, can you send that website link one more time? I lost it.
उसमें ले लो कंपलसरी. उसमें इजी फॉर यू. आपको अभी फिर से एब्सेंट होगा.
Where पे कितना like money?
What?
Where do you have to keep the money?
Where we have to keep
The money in the website.
that only. If you go in the courses में, in that we have to buy for 300 rupees. Last time I think you're there, right? So वही same model में. So if you open, you will understand. Open करके I will send in the group only. उसमें ले लो वर्कशीट रहेगा. That is for 1 year. This is for 1 year तक रहेगा. All videos will be, our classes will be, videos will be posted there. टेंशन है बार बार एग्जाम टाइम में सपोज चाहिए. आपका नोट्स नीटली लिख रहे हैं ना, एक बार देख लिया तो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री और इक्वेशंस आपको अच्छा रहेगा देखने में, हो जाएगा. ओके, चलो लास्ट रूल लिख के चले जाएंगे. ओके, चलो लिखो. A ray incident obliquely to the principal axis towards the pole on a concave mirror or convex mirror is reflected obliquely. This is still easy. देखो, when I obliquely means anybody? Obliquely English में आएगा ना, obliquely or somewhere. Obliquely means certain angle theta. देखो, I incident to the pole certain angle theta, and it will reflect back same angle. Here also देखो, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. This is the fourth rule, final rule. Okay. Similarly for convex का, if I incident to the pole obliquely means at an angle theta, it will reflect back obliquely. A rules use करके only we are using the ray diagrams. We are drawing ray diagrams. One more class में ray diagrams will be हो जाएगा. One more. Then numericals you have to start.